Serendipity's AI-based system detects group sentiment from conversations, going beyond measures of positive or negative polarity and basic emotions. Serendipity outperforms today's sentiment tools by recognizing word use in context, not scoring Kelly's use of down as negative in the example, and identifying engagement between conversation participants. Serendipity integrates NLP, sentiment, and behavioral rules for conversation to provide a deeper understanding of how participants and the whole group feel, and how these feelings change with time. Serendipity's actionable insights can help guide decisions.